So filter changes are something that homeowners can do. If the filter is in a filter rack in your wall or ceiling, you're typically going to just unscrew the filter rack, put a 1-inch filter in, do it every month or two, and you're good. Those are not the best filters. The better filters are the ones like this that are attached in the return airstream right next to the machine. And these can last longer. If you look, this unit takes a 16 by 25 by 5 filter. It's wide. It has a lot of pleated area. We do these, in this case, every year. If the environment's dirty, every 6 months. But for most applications, this is a once-a-year replacement. To replace the filter on this one, some just have a door that you pull off. This one has a little screw. We're going to remove the screw. We're going to pull this out, just like that. You see the media is dirty, a little bit, not bad. We're going to take the new filter, remove the packaging. The airflow goes this way from return to supply. And the filter goes in like that. And it's done. So what I'm going to do right now is date 10/16/25, and we're done.